In the heart of the ancient city of Chronopolis, nestled amidst towering clock towers and intricate sundials, lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was fascinated by time, its passage, its mysteries. He spent countless hours observing the city's clocks, marveling at their intricate mechanisms and the precise ticks of their pendulums. One day, while exploring the city's oldest clock tower, Oliver stumbled upon a hidden chamber. Inside, he found a wise old man, his hair as white as the moon, sitting before a colossal hourglass. The old man introduced himself as the Timekeeper, the guardian of Chronopolis time. "Why are you here, young one?" the Timekeeper asked, his voice gentle. "I've always been fascinated by time," Sir Oliver replied. "I want to learn more about it." The Timekeeper smiled. "You have come to the right place. Time is a precious gift, and it must be used wisely." Over the next few years, Oliver became the Timekeeper's apprentice. He learned about the history of timekeeping, the different methods used to measure it, and the importance of precision. He also learned about the delicate balance between time and eternity, the past, present, and future. One day, as Oliver was polishing the hourglass, the Timekeeper turned to him. "Oliver, you have learned much. Now, it is time for you to prove your worth." "How?" Oliver asked, his heart pounding. "I want you to find the missing hour," the Timekeeper replied. "It is hidden somewhere in the city, and it is crucial to the balance of time." With a newfound sense of purpose, Oliver set out to find the missing hour. He searched high and low, exploring every nook and cranny of the city. He interviewed the city's oldest residents, hoping they might have a clue. Finally, after days of searching, Oliver received a tip from a mysterious old woman who lived in a secluded cottage on the outskirts of the city. She told him to look for the missing hour where time stood still. Oliver followed the woman's directions and found himself in a hidden garden, a place where time seemed to have forgotten to flow. In the center of the garden, he discovered a small, rusted clock. It was broken, its hands frozen in time. Oliver knew instantly that he had found the missing hour. With a careful touch, he repaired the clock, and as the hands began to move again, a wave of energy pulsed through the city. The clock started ticking in perfect harmony, and the balance of time was restored. The Timekeeper was overjoyed. "You have done well, Oliver," he said. "You are now a true timekeeper." From that day forward, Oliver continued to serve as the guardian of Chronopolis time. He dedicated his life to ensuring that time flowed smoothly, that the city's clocks kept accurate time, and that the balance of the universe was maintained.